Hello, everyone, this is 52 Edit. In today's tutorial, we are going to make a stomp intro in Premiere Pro. First search for stomp music and download it, import it to Premiere, create a new sequence. File new, then click on the sequence and OK. Add the photo and audio to the timeline. Next, add a text. Increase in size. Align it to horizontal and vertical, center. And trim it to 5 frames. And duplicate and change the texts till the end. By little adjustment to the texts. Five frame is too fast, so nest it and change the speed to 50. Now is good. And add a zoom effect to the F text by keyframing. Change the keyframe to Bezier. After that, add lens distortion from the effect to the photo, then keyframe and make it Bezier. Then paste to the other photos. Finally, we have created an awesome intro within a minutes. Thanks for watching. And share, like and subscribe till next week. Keep creating.